Hey guys, I'm Salma, and this video is going to be about what your intuition is and how to improve it. So your intuition is your most powerful gift, okay? It is your compass in this lifetime. It is protecting you, it is guiding you in the right direction, it's telling you right from wrong, it's making your life easier, it's helping you avoid situations that you don't need to be in. It is your higher self, the universe, God guiding you in the right direction, leading you to the right path. So you definitely want to work on your intuition and listen to what it has to say. And these are my 3 steps to help you out with that. Step 1 on improving your intuition is doing the right thing. So you want to get your body out of any type of confusion, fear, sadness, and just start making the choices that you already know are right for you. So when you make these positive choices for yourself, you almost feel very clear, like you're gaining momentum on the right path. You start feeling happier. And when you get that clarity, like, okay, I'm moving in the right direction, I'm doing something positive, this is the right thing to do, then when you do the wrong thing, you get this kind of bad feeling like, I'm sad, I'm depressed, ooh, I shouldn't have done that, I feel guilty. So that is your gut, your intuition telling you like, that wasn't the right thing to do. You know better, you knew the right decision. And then you can go back and do the right thing and try again until you just start following your intuition, start following what you're supposed to do and do the right thing. Step 2 on how to improve your intuition is to start trusting yourself. So trust that you know the right thing to do. You have to give yourself some credit. You can't be in this like chaos where you're like, I don't know what to do, I don't trust myself, I don't know the right thing to do. Usually if you take time to sit on your own, you do know the right thing to do, and usually the first thing that pops in your head or that first feeling that you get about it is your intuition telling you exactly which way to go, what decision to make, and what to do. So you just want to learn how to trust yourself. If you have a feeling that you should bring a jacket even though it's a hot day, bring a jacket and see if you end up needing it. You want to build this trust with yourself. If you have this feeling that you should turn left when the normal route is to just go straight, try turning left. Maybe there was an accident if you go straight and left is actually faster. So just kind of play with it and test it out. If you're going to the grocery store or going to buy something specific and you randomly feel like you should go to this other store that you never go to, maybe if you go to that other store you'll find a better deal or a better product that you like more. So play with it and learn how to trust these feelings and these instincts, these intuitions, and see where it takes you. See if you're, wow, I'm really good at this, or oh, I was right about the jacket but not right about the store, and just kind of play with it, because you're gonna learn how to trust you and your intuition is gonna start speaking louder to you because now you're paying attention to it. If it's been in a muzzle, hasn't been able to speak, and you've been ignoring it, it's gonna take a little bit of work, because it is a muscle that you need to use and to work out to be better at using it. And the 3rd step on how to improve your intuition, this is kind of a fun one. So you have these magical hands and they can feel things and they can feel what is right and what is wrong for you. So this is kind of using the power of your body to know what is good for you and what's gonna work for you. I would pick about 10 things to try this with. So if you take any vitamins, any protein powders, if like any body lotions that you use on yourself, any like little tinctures, anything like that, grab them all. Even like food, like grab a cucumber or a carrot if you have that in the fridge or whatever. Pick 10 items and then put each one of these items in the palm of your hand. I personally feel more things in my left hand, so you can also play with it and see if you feel things in your left hand or your right hand. But take these items and put them in the palm of your hand and wait like just a couple seconds and see how it makes your hand or your body feel. And now go to the next item and the next item and the next item and the next item. And you're gonna notice that some of these things feel good. Like your body will all of a sudden feel good, or your hand will feel this like nice, almost clear feeling. That's the only way I can describe it. It feels clear, like it feels good. Like, you know, when you're in a good mood and you know you're doing all the right things, you feel clear and happy and good. But then when you're kind of upset, confused, anxious, you don't feel good. So you'll have the same thing with whatever's in your hand. So when it feels good, it'll feel good. When it doesn't, you might get these little like tingles in your hand that are kind of prickly, or your body will just like kind of give you this no feeling. So play with it and play with each palm and see which one is your more active palm and try all these items and notice which ones feel good and which ones feel bad. And then that's another way to kind of like start using your intuition and the power of your body and your hands to know, like, what does my body want? What is good for me? And guide yourself down the right path. So my accent is coming out right now and I don't even know who I am. Am I English? Am I Australian? I'm definitely sweaty. I hope that helped. Let me know if you have anything that you want to add or any questions, and let me know if any of this helps you out or works for you. Love you so much. See you next time.